Hi friends, good morning to all. Today, welcome to my YouTube channel Java Tab. I'm going to tell you how to install NetBeans and JDK on your PC. Now, without wasting any time, let's start. Go to folder where you have kept NetBeans and JDK. I'm going to that folder. Yeah, searching for NetBeans. Before that, we have to install JDK 8U because it is the pre-requirement of NetBeans. I'll be providing you links in the video description to download these from on net. Okay. Now I have clicked on JDK8U to install it. It will be taking some time, so I'll be skipping the video. Okay. Now I am going to skip the part. Okay. After this installation, there will be another installation. This will take quite a long time. Okay, now the dialog box has appeared. Click on next and wait till the installation completes. Now the installation is complete. Okay, now the next step is to install NetBeans. Click on close button and then go to NetBeans. I'm going to search for NetBeans in my software folder. Okay, this is NetBeans. Yeah, click on it. Oh, fish, my battery running out. It will be configuring, taking a quite long time to install it. Again, I will be skipping some part of the video, but don't worry, that's not much important. It will be automatically taking in. Okay, configuring. Now here's the window appears of NetBeans installation program. You can customize your program according to your needs. I click on customize and select it all because I need all of them. You can unselect according to your need. Click on next, agree the agreement, next, and again next. Please don't change the files because these are inbuilt and there will be some problem if you change files. This network is supported by only and only 64-bit computers. Okay, this will take quite a long time, near about half an hour, so I'll be skipping the video. Thank you. This is the end part of the video. After this, you will not require my narration as it will automatically take place at the last, and close button will appear and you will have to click it and then go to desktop, click on the NetBeans icon and just start it. Okay, please friends, don't forget to subscribe my channel Java Trap. It is an amazing channel which will be helping you in future as well as is helping you now to start with the basics. This was my first video. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead.